In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox error code 400 bad request. Now what you want to do is first come here and search for View Network Connections. Double click, or right click go to Properties on your internet. Then go to version 4, Properties, use the following DNS and type 8888.8844. Press OK and try and use this DNS server and see if this one works. If that still doesn't work, search for Troubleshoot Settings. In here, Additional Troubleshooters. Select Internet Connections, and you can also do your network adapter. Run the troubleshooter and see if that works. After that, if it's still not working, come here and search for Network Reset. Reset now, and this will restart your PC. After you've done all of this and the PC is restarted, it should then hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.